Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This is a Volkswagen Polo Live 1.0 TSI, and it currently has around 4,500 miles on the clock with one previous owner. And it comes painted in the stunning Smokey grey finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. Here are our stunning wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the car. And to minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the powerful doing mirrors do fold to unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size, large enough for stuff like shopping bags or even a pram, and we do have the additional storage space underneath there for a spare wheel or height. Following on, we can see this Polo really has some lovely and well-maintained interior, as you can see with ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. As we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car full of fantastic features, and around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, and we do have automatic headlights there, ensuring that always in the correct times, alongside the controls on the driver's door handle. Once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to a dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst we're on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring your front assist, which warns the driver of impending collisions and if necessary will autonomously apply the brakes. Over to the infotainment screen for a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Head into our App Connect. This offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, allows us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. We all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps entertained while you're in the move with many different stations to choose from. You can never be bored. Now you also have the ability to make hands-free calls via Bluetooth, offering that full support of your surroundings, as it's never a good idea to take calls on the phone while on the move, and this way you'll have a more safer approach to when taking those calls.